Packing a healthy school lunch is crucial for your child's energy, focus, and overall health. With children consuming up to 40% of their daily calories at lunch, it's a prime opportunity to provide balanced nutrition. But finding nutritious options that are both easy to prepare and appealing to kids can be challenging. Let's explore some practical and delicious ideas for school lunches that don't require fancy preparation or exotic ingredients. A healthy school lunch should include several key components. Aim for lean protein like chicken, fish, or beans, whole grains such as whole wheat bread or brown rice, fruits and vegetables like baby carrots or apples, and healthy fats from sources like avocados or nuts. Don't forget to include a low-sugar beverage for hydration. While including all these elements is ideal, even aiming for 3 is a great start. When it comes to portion sizes, a general guide for children ages 5 to 12 includes half to 1 cup of vegetables, half a cup of fruit, half to 1 slice of whole grain bread, or a quarter to half cup of grains, 1 to 2 ounces of protein, and half to 1 cup or slice of dairy. Remember, these are just estimates, and your child's individual needs may vary based on their age, activity level, and appetite. Now let's dive into some easy-to-pack and nutritious lunch ideas. For bento box combos, try turkey and cheese roll-ups with cucumber slices, grapes, hummus, and crackers. Or pack mini meatballs with cherry tomatoes, mozzarella balls, and apple slices. These options provide a balance of protein, vegetables, fruits, and grains. If sandwiches are more your style, consider a whole wheat turkey and avocado wrap, or a peanut butter and banana sandwich. For nut-free schools, sunflower seed butter is a great alternative. Egg salad on whole grain bread or a chicken Caesar wrap with lettuce are also nutritious options. For a DIY Lunchable approach, try mini pita bread with hummus, baby carrots, and hard-boiled eggs, or pack crackers, cubed cheese, deli meat, and carrot sticks. These snack plate options are fun for kids and easy to assemble. If your child prefers hot lunches, consider using an insulated thermos. You can pack turkey taco chili, mac and cheese with peas, or a chicken and veggie stir-fry with brown rice. These meals stay warm until lunchtime and provide a comforting option. For vegetarian or vegan diets, try an edamame stir-fry, a hummus and veggie wrap, or tofu nuggets with apples and quinoa salad. These plant-based options are packed with protein and fiber. To make lunch packing easier, try prepping ingredients on weekends. Wash and chop fruits and veggies, portion out snacks, and cook staples like hard-boiled eggs in advance. Create a weekly menu to streamline grocery shopping and reduce daily decision-making. Set up a lunch station in your fridge or pantry with ready-to-go options. Packing lunches the night before can also save time during busy mornings. For picky eaters, offer variety and allow choices within healthy options. Introduce new foods gradually alongside familiar favorites. Using fun shapes or colorful presentations can make meals more appealing. Remember, taste buds evolve with time, so keep offering a variety of healthy foods even if they're not immediately accepted. In conclusion, healthy school lunches don't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Focus on balance, variety, and involving your child in the process. Even small changes can have a big impact on your child's energy, focus, and long-term health. With these ideas and strategies, you can create nutritious lunches that your kids will look forward to eating.